Welcome to Mobile Legends! You have slain an enemy! An ally has been slain.
Kanser ba manula niya kung kauban uy? Lami kay ibang chemotherapy. Sa tibuok adlaw nga sigig dulag ml imong liog mura nagliog sa camel. Okay. Okay. Sigig pulaw hinulat sa text sa uyab. Hantod ang ulo nagdilaab.
I recall when you said that you would never leave me. You told me more, so much more, like when the time you whispered in my ear. There was heaven.
Ay, ito pa na akong rayong mag-arthritis.
When you said that you'd be here forever. Then you left without even saying that you're leaving. I was hurt, and it really won't be easy to forget yesterday. And I pray that you would stay, but then you're gone, and oh, so far away. I was afraid this time would come. I was prepared to face this kind of hurting from within. I have learned to live my life beside you. Maybe I'll just dream of you tonight. And if into
Sa sobraan katamis sa iyang mga saad, grabe katamis. Pati akong ngipo nagsakit.
dreaming till my heart aches out. Then you left without even saying that you're leaving. I was hurt, and it really won't be easy to forget yesterday. And I pray that you would stay, but then you're gone, and oh, so far away. I was afraid this time would come. I wasn't prepared to face this kind.
Sa bisan unsang klase nga sakit, stiff neck, muscle pain, headache, toothache, backache, gibyaan ache, mag-Odrisof Capsule. Doble ang kaepektibo.
To my dream.